This is the new segment we are doing from the Papare.com, and we have with us three of the heroes that were there, a part of the greatest comebacks ever seen in the history of St. Thomas's cricket. We have skipper Nirushan and secretary Fahim Salim and young wicketkeeper Sachin Piris. Going into the Royal Tournament, Nirushan, with such a young side, having only three colours, what was the vibe in the dressing room?
We always knew that with a fresh side, with 8 freshers, it was going to be an uphill task facing a good side like Royal with a lot of experience. But there was also a positive side, and having 8 freshers, they never feared the big match, which is a very big positive sign. And they were always looking forward for the big event, and that also helped us. And especially freshers like Sachin coming through in the batch always gave us confidence, and it helped us recover soon.
So what you're saying is, in a way, it was good to have 8 freshers inside?
Yeah, in a way it was good to have 8 freshers in, I would say, in 2 ways. One is personally for colorsmen like myself, Salim and Dinesh, there was just an added bit of pressure for us to perform. And I think in the big match, it paid off. Pressure for us, having 8 freshers behind us, it paid off, and became good, and it helped us. And then, as I said before, the second way it helped us was the dressing room was fresh, and they didn't have too many thoughts about the big match. They were just there to enjoy it, so it was always easy to lead them while they were not pressurized.
And when talking about the first day of the big match, 99 all out, very low score. Then going into the second innings, what was your message?
Well, I couldn't give too much of a message to anyone else because we failed so badly in the first inning. But the only thought in our mind was that we had around 5.5 sessions to go in the match, and to bat as long as possible. And the longer we batted, our first thing was we delayed a Royal victory, and then we could move into the driving seat and maybe push for a victory. So it was always in our mind that the longer we batted, the better it is for us and for the whole team. So that is the only thought in the whole dressing room, and all of them followed it up with performance on the field.
And Salim getting out for a duck in the first innings, what was your mindset like when you came into bat for the second time?
Obviously, not scoring the first innings was always a lot of pressure on me to perform. But I had got like more than 1,000 runs this season, so that was always that's the confidence I needed. And coming in with a century before the big match, that gave a lot of confidence, so I had to just repeat the same thing.
And Sachin, playing in your first year at the age of 16, what was it like to be a part of the 130th Battle of the Blues?
Well, I was a little nervous when I went into bat, but then when I kept wickets in the Royal innings, it gave me a lot of confidence. I kept well, and that gave me a lot of confidence when I went into bat. And all I did was just concentrated on every ball, that paid me off.
And having so many closing fielders when you were initially at the crease, how did you cope with the pressure?
Yeah, as you know, I went to bat in the hat-trick ball when Maujud was on a hat-trick, and there was a lot of pressure put into me. But then I didn't take that into my head. I just went forward with my game. I didn't think of it. I just concentrated and batted well.
And obviously having Salim at the other end would have helped.
Yeah, that helped me a lot. Like he was talking to me every ball, and he was some 100 plus when I came to bat, and that helped me a lot. I had faith in him.
And Nirushan and Salim, can you just talk us through your record-breaking partnership? Just talk us through the partnership.
One thing I had to start off saying is that from the junior age groups, we always had a habit of putting on big partnerships. We always batted together, and we used to bat close. Maybe myself one down, maybe batting 2 down, or maybe opening, and myself going 1 down. So it was always we always had the opportunity to put big partnerships on the junior age group. So it was not something new that we had to do that day. So both of us batting together, we batted a lot, and we always had the confidence that if both of us can come good collectively, most likely the team will come good as well. And especially speaking of the week before the big match, had a massive partnership on a very hard wicket to bat at St. Sebastian's. So that was always in the back of the minds, and we always knew that maybe a repeat performance or even a better performance was on the way, and we could always get ourselves back into the driving seat. So it was at the beginning it was a bit tough, especially for me. It was a bit tough, and even Salim, both of us had to put our heads down, and that fight out was 23rd run. But afterwards, batting became very easy, and runs just started to flow, even though we were not looking for runs. We just kept on coming.
And Salim, you were part of a historic partnership with Stephen Erosion. We saw you all talk almost after every ball. What was it that you all talked about, and how did you all keep each other pumped up to bat throughout the day?
The pressure by the Royalists was so much near the crowding up the batsman. So what we had to do is encourage. What I had to do is encourage my partner. So every ball we spoke to each other, trying to encourage the partner, trying to make him play straight. That was the main thing we were talking about. Not even the loose ball, it's okay, just play straight through the gaps and no one hitting the ball in the air. Because we couldn't lose any more wickets. So that was the main thing we were talking, every ball play straight. Or even if he leaves it, we are encouraging him. Well left.
So Salim, disappointed that you couldn't break the record?
Yeah, though I couldn't break the record, but I think I batted for a long time.
Was that in your mind when you were batting?
Not exactly. Like I wanted to bat as long as possible. If I had batted more time, I think I obviously got it. So that was the main thing, and that's what the team needed. So balancing along, very unfortunate.
Apart from playing the 130th Battle of the Blues, settling into an under-19 side, what was it like? Because you're the youngest player of the side. What was it like to settle into the senior side?
Well, it was a good experience for me. It was first few days it was a little hard, I should say, because I never practiced with them. Then when I came, but everyone was really good to me. They helped me a lot. Niveshan Ayya, Saliman, Shulak Ayya, Dinesh Ayya, everyone, they were really good to me. Every wrong thing I did, they showed that to me. They helped me a lot during practice sessions and everything. And I should also tell about Shiraz sir. He was always right behind me. Every mistake I did, he showed, and that gave me a lot of confidence to cope up with the under 19.
And as you all have seen,